Today, I'm not wearing makeup to church because it is really hot and I also wake up a bit late. I didn't really sleep good. So, and later I'm also going with the kids out. So when I'm back from church, I'll do my makeup. I'm going with for the simple black dress. Let me show you guys this dress. I haven't put on my shoe yet, but this is just a simple black dress. Don't look at this mess. This is just a simple black dress. This is the second time of me actually wearing this dress. It's so hot, so I feel like there's no need for makeup, and the dress is very simple. I went to just add some accessories to at least make the outfit something. I'm gonna put on this lip gloss. I'm so excited. I'm just done doing my skincare, so my skin is looking really flawless. So I can actually go outside like this without no makeup. I'm not gonna use any concealer, nothing, because when I'm back from church, your girl is going to make up because I'm going out with the kids. So when I'm back, I'm gonna make her. But for now, even with the hair, let's just play with it. Oh, don't forget to wear my SPF. I'm gonna wear my SPF. We have like 5 minutes to leave this house. Okay, you know what? You guys come here so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna wear my SPF on my face. Ja? Ja, kom pakken deze aan opladen. Ja. Heb je zonnecrème aangedaan? Heb je zonnecrème aangedaan? Laat me zien wat je aan hebt. Nee, niet jij. Heb je oorbel? Ja. Ga schoenen aandoen. Just take a little bit of the Soldier General body oil. Let's. What is that? Oh, it's so my elbow. I'm trying to. You see, it's working. It's my skin is my elbow is peeling off because of the ordinary glycolic acid that I'm using. It's peeling off. Zijn jullie klaar? I'm just going to take any shoe downstairs, any black shoe, and just put it on. So guys, this is the outfit. Do I look cute? I know I look cute. So this is the outfit today for church. Your girl didn't have any makeup on. Today I wasn't really feeling the mood of putting makeup to church, but I'm about to go and do my makeup because I'm also going out with the kids. We're gonna have some good time. When the weather is beautiful, I like to make use of the opportunity and go out and have some great time, because when it's raining outside, all of us are just indoors doing Netflix and chill. I think now that the weather is so nice outside, it's time to just go out and spend time together. So yeah, that is what we're about to do. But this is the outfit. Today I just went for simple, just all black. Just all black. I wasn't motivated to do anything, like just all black, and my skin is looking so beautiful, and I feel like, okay, no makeup to church, let's just do it. So yeah, this is it.